So this video is about getting webUSB working on Edgeimpulse. Say you've got the nano33BleSense, but the normal way of getting it working with the client just isn't working for you. What I'm here to do is give you another possible one to try. And basically it's using the Arduino IDE to make the Edgeimpulse firmware. So let's get started here. We should load up Edgeimpulse, Firmware, Arduino nano33BleSense, and we want to download the zip. And just retract a little bit here. If you went to data acquisition with your nano33BleSense and you went to connect USB, there it is. It's there. But because it doesn't have the firmware, your connection is going to fail. So let's just see if we can improve that. So, what do we got here? There we go. There's my firmware. And it's quite easy to do minus one minor little problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract that firmware, and then I'm going to put it in a temporary folder. And I've already made in my Windows temp file EI. And the problem here is long file names. On a Windows computer, sometimes they won't work very well. So I'm trying to have as small a file folder name that I can. So temporary, then EI. Let's wait a few seconds for this to finish. And I could pause, but it's almost done. So this might be your entire class. For some reason, your computers are locked down so much that it just doesn't work. Or it could be just one or two students that are having some problems. So let's go in. I'm fine with that whole thing. So I'm going to grab that whole thing and move it here. And there we go. Now, the only part that's hard here is this board's local, because that has to go in your IDE location. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go set that up first. And let's see how we do with this. Now, unfortunately, mine's set up slightly differently than most. And that's part of the reason why I have problems with the client every once in a while. So my Arduino is here, and we're set up on portable packages. So there's Arduino, hardware. Let's hope I got the Nano. There's the Nano. So I've got 3.4.1, not the most up to date, but that's okay. And here's the problem. There's the boards file. There's the normal one. And we want that boards.local file with txt ending. I'm going to attempt just to drag it here. You actually move it there and see if it shows up. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. You can click on these and have a look at them. That's the typical boards file. And then this is the board's local file. And it just has these extra things that will make this code work. The first minor little thing is this firmware has to be inside a folder with the same name. So let's go here to the thing I labeled EI and make it exactly the name of what we want. And there it is. So now when I try to open this up, see where I'm at. I'm gotta go to my PC, I gotta go to C drive, gotta go to temporary. There it is. And that's the file. Perfect. It loaded up. I can clear that window out. And so this probably will take a while. It doesn't take as long as it's suggested it'll take. There we go. I'm on the right port. My Nano's connected. I guess I should double click to get it into breathing mode. And let's just double check the port. Now I'm on that port. And I'm just going to, I updated the boards, so let's do that. And I'm going to look at the time. It's 2:04 right now. I'll pause this and tell you how long it took. So that build failed. So let's have a look here at the Arduino build. Okay, so I had to install all of these libraries. Just copy that into the library install area. And I'm starting the build again. Let's see how long it takes. Looks like that's pretty close to done. Okay, here we go. Hope I've set up the, yeah. It's writing. And it did take a while to compile. Doesn't help that this computer is doing video at the same time. Anyway, that looks like that's good. I don't think there's any point doing the serial monitor. Maybe I'll just refresh it. So let's see how we do here. There's the Nano33. See if it connects. And it connected. Awesome. Okay, well it does seem to work. Just select something, set that, move the Nano around a bit. 8 seconds, 2 seconds, 1. And there you go. Collecting a ton of data. And that's it. Thank you.